Hello, good morning students. In previous video, we have started lesson number 20, our emotional world. There we have studied that how to control over our emotions and cope up with others. Now, we'll discuss some questions. So, if what you think, is it correct or wrong, that you do tick mark in the box. These questions are given on page number 104. First one. Ramesh told Suresh that Amit had said something bad about him. Suresh decided to react only after confirming the facts. See here, Ramesh has told something to Suresh about Amit. But Suresh, what he done? He told that first I will confirm is it correct or not. Then only I will react about it. So, what about it, children? It is right. Yes. Now, next. Chaya and Meena usually make equal progress in their studies. Their progress is equal at some level. Then the teacher praised Chaya's essay. This made Meena angry and she decided not to speak to Chaya. Children, is it correct? Yes, it is wrong. Because if our friend does something good and she is appreciated by the teacher, then it is our duty that we should also appreciate her, congratulate her. Okay. Next, Dinesh took Manoj's pen and pencil from his bag and hid them. Later, he said sorry to Manoj and promised not to do it again. Yes, here it is correct because at beginning Dinesh took pen and pencil of Manoj. It is wrong, but later on he realized his mistake and he said sorry to Manoj. So it is good thing. So it is correct. Next, Sunita wanted to go to the market with her mother, but for some reason her mother had to leave early. Sunita was angry with her mother, but later she asked her mother the reason why she had to leave early. Her anger subsided when she learned the reason. So here what will be the answer? It is correct because at the beginning she was wrong, Sunita. She got angry with her mother. It is wrong. We should have control over our emotion such as anger because it has many side effects. But later on, Sunita realized her mistake and she understood her mother's problem. That is a good quality. So, we should have to behave like this way. Awareness of our own flaws. Flaws means drawbacks. We must be aware about our drawbacks or our bad things. Children are often heard to say, my handwriting is beautiful, I am good at maths, I like science, or I like poetry. This means that people's likes and dislikes and capabilities can be different. Just as we gradually understand what we can do, we must also understand what we are not able to do. See, some students, they are good in some of the subjects, for example maths, but he or she may be not good in language, or someone is good in drawing or sports but not good in subjects. So in this way the capabilities are different from one student to another. We must know our flaws, our bad things, as well as our talents. What I can do better, that also we should know so that we can improve upon them. If we know our bad things, then we come to know how to improve them. Just because we are unable to do something, it does not mean that we stop trying to excel or at what we can do. See children, we should not think that I can't do this. We have to try over that. Why I can't do? I will try, then I will also can able to do. Be positive always. We can change. No person is entirely good or entirely bad. Some of the good things are there in a person, or also some bad things are there. We must always think about the good qualities or virtues in our friends first. We must help each other to get rid of our flaws. If we speak about our flaws as openly as we speak about our talents, it will be to our advantage. See, with our friends, we have to discuss also our good qualities. Along with that, whatever about our bad things, that also we have to discuss, and we have to discuss that how to overcome about the bad things and get improved. Once we know the flaws in our nature, we must try to correct them ourselves. We'll see one example. Neha talks the most in her group. Her friends began to avoid her since they never got a chance to speak. Neha realized this, then she began to watch out how much she spoke. She told her friends herself, "Stop me if I talk too much." Gradually, Neha began to listen to others and brought about a change in her own behavior. See children, with the help of your friends, you can get rid of your drawbacks. You can overcome from your bad things. Now we'll discuss one question. Manoj says, "I am going to school," and instead goes to the playground to play. Is this correct, children? No, it is wrong, because Manoj had lied to his parents. We should not lie to our parents. We have to tell the truth in front of our elders. Aspects of our nature that bother us and others can be changed. However, we ourselves must try hard to change them. Otherwise, these aspects may take the shape of flaws in our personality. What we have learnt. Emotions must be expressed. There must be a balance between our thoughts and emotions. Anger must be controlled. Otherwise, it can have adverse effects on our mind and body. We must be aware of our flaws as well as our talents. We can try to correct the flaws in our nature. I hope you understood the topic. So for better understanding, read the topic once again